Today
we are going
we are going
to climb Fushimi
to climb Fushimi
Inari.
Inari.
So let's go.
Let's go!
Right in front.
Right?
Right in
Right は右側
Right, you make a wish when you pass the gates, you will have good luck. Things in their mouth.
今日は伏見稲荷を登ります。伏見稲荷山伏見稲荷山を登ります。
Hot today.
今日は暑いです。It's hot today. Not warm.
No, not
Not
that.
warm. It's hot.
Not a cloud in the sky.
Not a cloud in sky. In the sky. 雲一つない。全然ない。伏見稲荷山にはやっぱり人が全然いない時間に行くのがおすすめです。
Recommend going
Recommend going
at
at
a non-busy time.
a non-busy time
When it's not busy.
or when it's not busy. ここは裏口でメインゲートは JR 稲荷駅の近くにあります。
This is the side gate. The main gate is near the JR Inari station.
JR 伏見稲荷駅、そして伏見稲荷のメインゲートに到着しました。
No drone.
No drone、ドローンはダメですよって書いてます。私たちはドローンじゃないので大丈夫です。サイドゲートから30秒で着きました。 It took 30 seconds from side gate.
It takes
It takes
30 seconds. 30 seconds
30 seconds
from the side gate.
from the side gate. JR 稲荷駅から徒歩0秒です。English please.
It's right in front of the JR station.
難しい。もう一度お願いします。
It's right
It's right
in front
in front
of
of
the JR
the JR
station.
station. JR
In front,
in front
前。
前
Right in front.
right
Right in
right は右側
front. Right in front.
right in 本当にってこと、
うん
right はどういう
まっ
意味？
すぐ
あ、真ん前っていう感じかな。
真ん前。
真ん前です。
Right away.
right away。
今すぐ。
ああ、だからもうたった今とか真ん前という意
Right
味かな。
now.
right ちょうど今とかっていう感じですね。right away。worship hall.
We are right in front
We are right in front
of
of
the worship hall.
the worship hall.
これ、
外拝殿、多分
ご本台へ
御本殿、
殿
御本殿へ to 御本殿、あ、to the main shrine.
道が
We
本殿
本殿 Where is worship hall? Where is main shrine?
Right there.
Right there. すぐそこです。That the gate.
That's
That's
the gate.
the gate.
That is the
That
gate.
is the gate.
That's
Gate name is two-storied gate.
two-storied.
Two-storied gate. これは日本語で何と読むんでしょうか。
楼門。
楼門で合ってます。
楼門。
はい。
桜。
そう、桜とは違います。こちらが楼門です。1589年に豊臣秀吉が造営しました。
This is the two-storied gate. It was built in 1589 by Toyotomi Hideyoshi.
こちらが下拝殿です。
This is the worship hall.
そしてこちらが本殿です。
This is the main shrine.
普段はここで無料のお茶を飲んで休憩することができます。English please.
You can get
You can get
free tea
free tea
and relax.
and relax. Relax
There,
there.
but it's closed.
But it closed.
It's
But it's
closed.
closed.
It is は別の言葉でしょ。
ああ、
It's
it's closed.
it closed. No, 動詞ない。
ああ、it is closed. あちらには東呂神社があり、学問の神様として信仰を集めています。
This is the Azumaro Shrine, where people pray to the god of learning.
おみくじしますか？
No money.
No money. おみくじは英語で
Fortune telling.
What is this?
You can take a picture
写真をQR コードを読み込めます。
and get a free audio guide.
ああ、そしてフリーオーディオガイズ無料でガイドを聞くことができます。
This
This
is the famous
is the famous
Tori Street. Tori
鳥居
Street.
Street
Thousand Gates.
Thousand Gates 千本鳥居です。願い事をしながらこの鳥居をくぐるとご利益があると言われています。
If you make a wish when you pass the gates, you will have good luck. On each gate,
On each gate
you can see the name
you can see the name
of the company or
Oh.
people
of the company or people
who paid for the gate.
who pay for the gate.
So this company is in Nagoya
名古屋
and they paid for the gate.
違うスポンサーですね。
Yeah, sponsor. Hello,
Hello
Kitsune-san.
Fox
Fox.
Another Fox もう一つの
Always two.
to always to 意味があります。どういう意味でしょうか？
I don't know. These have things in their mouth.
この狐は巻物をくわえています。知識の象徴と言われています。
It has a scroll in its mouth, and it's said to be a symbol of knowledge. And I think he has a ball.
もう一匹は玉をくわえています。霊徳の象徴と言われています。
The other has a ball in its mouth, and it represents virtue.
他にも鍵をくわえているのは霊徳を得る鍵。
Another has a key, which is the key to virtue.
稲穂をくわえているのは豊作の象徴。
And this one has rice stalks, which is a symbol of a bountiful harvest.
右側通行になったようです。子供の時はどっちに行くと言って競争してました。
Ah, now they have a sign.
Yes.
You can go this way.
When we are child,
When I was
child, we raced with brother on this way.
We, 誰?
We.
誰と?
Brother.
I
I
raced my brother.
raced my brother.
Ah, I see. We は私たち。エリコと誰と思った。
When we were
We 誰と
brother.
Also?
Also,
そうかな。
when I was a child,
うん
we raced on this way with my brother.
We raced
We raced
on this road
on this road
or path.
or path.
Mm.
So road to path.
文章の subject はいつも同じ。We were child. I raced. ダメ。mix でしょ？
We were raced.
うん。
We raced.
We raced.
We raced.
So we. I was a child. I raced. We were a child. We were children. We raced.
We raced.
We raced.
We raced.
うん。
こちらが奥社奉拝所です。
This is the rear shrine.
It's called のどかは英語で何て言うんでしょうか。
We have arrived at Yotsuji.
復習しよう。
Let's review.
人がいない時間に行くのがおすすめ。
I recommend going at a non-busy time, or I recommend going when it's not busy.
JR 駅の目の前。
It's right in front of the JR station.
たった今。
Right now.
右側通行。
Keep right.
おみくじ。
Fortune telling.